How to fix the maximum number of attempts reached in CapCut. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having this trouble on the CapCut application, here are some troubleshooting steps that should help. First of all, make sure to restart the CapCut application. Close all the background app and force stop the CapCut. Now that you restart it, it should probably work once you log in. However, make sure to wait for a few minutes before trying again if it's an recent issue. Once that is done, long press it and go to App Info. Once that is done, tap on Storage and Cache and then clear the cache. This is to fix the glitches or temporary issues. Make sure you also have a stable internet connection before continuing. After that, head over to your Play Store or App Store to update the app to the latest version. For this, tap on the Play Store or App Store option. Tap on the search bar, type in CapCut and tap on Update button if it's available. Also, if you are using a VPN, disable it before trying again. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.